Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a beautiful 57 Chevy 3100 big back window pickup. Really pretty truck. It's frame off restored, and it came from a collection along with that blue one. So previous owner had both these.
This could be a his and hers.
I think it was.
Or
yeah.
A father-son.
Yeah, 57, 56.
And the condition of them and the restoration quality is the same on both trucks. Just beautiful. Very typical on these 55 to 57 Chevy trucks. You got always got rusted out top of the fenders.
This is really nice.
And just the paint, both of them have a beautiful metallic. This is like a strawberry red metallic, and the other one's a dark blue metallic, and they're just gorgeous.
Yeah, real solid, nice underneath. Look like they're rotisserie restored.
Oh, they definitely are. Just look at the body panels. Now, so many of these trucks in pictures and videos look awesome, but you get up close and they're just choppy and wavy. Both of these trucks are beautiful.
Yeah, really nice and straight.
We got one little paint imperfection here. I just don't want to forget. It's just a little tiny star, like an upward. Can't feel a ding there, but I'll get you out. It's like they replaced all the chrome that they could as well.
Beautiful interiors too. They did such a nice job painting the doors and the inside of the cab, just as nice as the exterior. They did a beautiful job.
It just runs so good. I'm just going to let it run. Beautiful.
Yeah. Great run, a little inline 6-cylinder.
All new plugs, all new wires. Looks like new cap and rotor. Carburetor runs good. Inner fenders are all painted nice. Just so you can see on the door jamb paint and the top of the firewall paint, they did an absolutely gorgeous job when they did this. Everything was apart, painted, and put back together.
They did a nice job. Bottom side of the hood's nice.
In all honesty, these old trucks, I mean, they're a 55
original.
to 60 mile an hour truck anyway.
Yeah, they are.
So whether you got a 235 straight 6 or a little 283, you know, you don't drive them 80 mile an hour anyway.
Now these are perfect in-town ice cream getters, you know.
Take them down the highway, cruise is fine too, but you're not going to want to take it to 400-mile trip, you know.
I mean, they're not fast even if they got a V8 in them.
No, I guess that's my point. But look at the quality of the restoration on the mat, around the mat, the heater box, dash panel, even dome light works on it. I tried that with the switch, it works. Headliner's beautiful, visor's nice.
Yeah, beautiful truck.
One word, quality.
Yeah.
Look at even the gas tanks all painted high gloss black back there.
Yeah, nice.
All new hinges, all new striker rollers.
Big back windows, nice too on this. Cab corners.
Which truck's
awesome.
gonna sell first, guys? This 1957 red Chevy or the 1956
blue one
with the aftermarket wheels?
Yeah, they're both beautiful. Tailgate's nice, got your spare tire there. Undercarriage pictures you can see on our website.
This one's just got single exhaust, but just look at the quality of the inside of the box. Just wow, all new wood, all new stainless steel bolts. Cab corner's great, the step side's beautiful.
A couple little chips that have been touched up there.
We have 3 beautiful trucks we're gonna do videos of today. This one, the 56, and then that awesome 1937 Ford with a flathead V8. Look at the steering column, it's painted beautifully as well. All new dash bezel and lens.
Beautiful truck. There's your proper VIN number.
Let's drive it, shall we? Check out how nice that paint is in the jams. I mean, they took every piece of it apart, even your kick panels there.
Yeah, did a beautiful job.
Yeah,
on both trucks, really.
They're identical. They're both gorgeous. Gas gauge we got to fix yet, guys. We got a gas gauge coming for it. Oil pressure gauge works, amp gauge works, and the factory temp gauge works in the dash too. So just the gas gauge, and that will be fixed. There's your choke. Here's your wipers. They're electric. They work perfect. Heater dull. Do we have anything for a heater?
Not sure.
Here's your throttle, and there's your choke. 84,744 miles on the odometer. This whole thing turns good. You don't need
Yeah, it
power
does.
steering with them with this big 20-inch wheel. Holy smokes. Might be bigger than 20 inches. Like a freaking school bus. Sounds great, runs great, single exhaust. Speedo works, oil pressure gauge works, temp gauge works. Little 3 on the tree works great. Speedometer works good. Turning signal indicator on our dash works. Here's our brakes. We go through all the brakes. The brakes work perfect. Steering wheel is perfectly straight. That's my biggest pet peeve. We always make sure that they're straight for you guys. Clutch feels great. No chatter there. Steering's nice and straight down the road too.
Very nice.
Tires feel really good on it.
Yeah, it's a good truck.
Here's your air conditioning.
No wind window. Heck yeah.
Man, feel that.
But that feels good, huh?
High-speed braking. Stops great. No pull left or right. Those drum brakes feel awesome. What a quality truck. I mean, I would love to have about 10 of these things in this shape. I mean, you just can't beat it when they're this nice, when the paint and interior and seats are comfortable.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I like to have one visor. You know, that's how they
Yeah,
came.
absolutely. Yeah, totally.
Who cares if the passenger's getting sun in his face?
They
Get
don't
some
got
sunglasses.
They're not driving.
No, they're not. Super smooth shift. I really like it, man. Look at this. Look at it go down the road.
Beautiful truck. Check it out in more detail on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.